Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one common error that occurs in Excel. I was doing some work in Excel and I came across this error, so I searched about how to correct it. And in this video, I'm going to show you 4 cases where such an error can occur. So it occurs in such a way that the formula, instead of not showing, it shows in a cell, as you can see here. So there are 4 causes that I know. If you know more, please, you can share with me. But I know these 4 causes, which I'm going to share with you and show you how to correct this error. So the first scenario can occur if you go to formulas here. If you click on formulas and you see that you have this show formulas is enabled. So what happens is that you're telling Excel to show formulas in your sheet, and that's why it is showing it as so. So you may sometimes want to see where the formula is running from, and you can use this functionality to do that. So if show formulas is enabled, then they will show in your sheet. So to make them go away, you can click on show formulas, it goes away, then it goes back to normal. That is one of the cases. In the second case, it can occur if at all you look at this formula. At the start of this formula here, there is a comma that was placed. Now this comma makes the whole formula look like a text, and therefore it's not a formula and will not compute, but it will rather show in the cell. So to correct this is quite simple. Go to your formula bar, remove that quote, press enter, and you're back to normal. So this is the second case which can cause it to happen. In the third example, it can also happen if there is no equal sign. So when I hit on this cell which has the formula and go to the formula bar here, you can see that there is no equal sign. Because there's no equal sign, it shows the formula as a text. So to correct this, just come up here and then put an equal sign, press enter, and the error goes away. So this is the third scenario where it can happen. In the fourth scenario where it can happen is also another case where there is space. At the beginning of this formula, there is space. And because of that space, it reads this formula as a text, and as Excel does not evaluate it as a formula, and therefore it will show. So to correct it, just go to the formula bar and remove that space. Once you do that and you press enter, you can see it goes back to normal. So those are 4 scenarios where you can have a formula show. One is if under formulas, if the button show formulas is enabled. 2, if there is a comma at the beginning of the formula. 3, if there is space at the beginning of the formula. And 4, if there is no equal signs. Those are the 3 cases that I know. If you have no more that you know about, please share with me as we learn from each other. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.